is one of my first video posts of working out. I'm 40 years old and I have always worked out different kinds. If I'm playing football, I play football. If I run, I run. Recently, I've injured my foot, but I have to get back into shape. And this is just not really a video to teach people what to do. Of course, you can follow through, learn whatever I'm doing, maybe apply it to yourself because each body is different. But at the end of the day, it's more of a motivation for myself that I'll end up doing this every day. And that's my cat Sushi. And firstly, before you start off any workout, I think the most important bit is you need to warm up. Most accidents happen during workouts because you haven't warmed up correctly. And that's what we're going to do first. We're going to first do a lot of warm up, and then we're going to do about a 20-minute exercise based on things that I continuously keep doing. We can keep changing it around each time. And let's start off. Like, the best part about the exercise that we're going to do is that you can do it anywhere. You can do it in your office, you can do it in your balcony if you've got the luxury of this. I say in Goa, the houses are pretty big out here, so almost every place has a balcony this big. But I've lived in Mumbai all my life, so I know it's all matchbox apartments. So, but whatever little space you get, you can land up doing all of the exercises out there. So let's start. I think our body is warmed up enough, and also actually warmed up before I made this video. I had my cup of black coffee, and that really helps in getting your body all warmed up. I don't want to get any catch. I don't want to get any pull. I've been recovering from a pull, and that's why I'm going to take it easy today. I'm not going to do anything extreme. So if you're starting off, it's like a good routine for you to just start off with. Very basic, and I'm going to be really careful when I'm doing the exercises because I've got a wet floor. And here we go. So first things first, jumping jacks. Jumping jacks is the best exercise you can do while you're starting up to warm up your body and also to get your whole body conditioned. It's a lot of balance, it's a lot of symmetry, and it uses all the muscle groups. So always start your workouts with jumping jacks. Squats.
Candy paint the way I'm top. Lambo doors and we walked up. If you easy got my word, I got kick in your door and swap you up. $100,000 on the table top. Half price, small with same price.
a very simple exercise. Do this. Okay. Legs out here. You don't have to keep anything in the air. Nothing. Just go. Lift your body up. And always just do as much as you can. You don't need to push yourself right from day one. Nobody's watching you, nobody's judging you. But if you want to grow stronger each day, you want to become better each day, you have to start conservatively so that you don't get any physical injury or cramp which will kind of stop the entire process altogether. So take it easy, go step by step. I'm telling you, in a week from now, you'll be transformed. And yeah, of course, you don't have the sugar, you don't have that excessive salt. Try and cut off dairy. Eat light, eat little, eat right. I drink, I eat, I smoke, but I think I have some kind of a limitation to it. Like, I don't excessively eat. I sometimes excessively drink. Sometimes. I've been cutting back on my smoking as well. So all these things really affect your body. And right now, this coronavirus shit, I think we should definitely take care of our bodies, see what we consume, how much of it do we consume, and make sure to consume the right stuff. No bend on your body. No like this. No like this. Nothing. Straight down. They're called push-ups. Go like this. Come up like this. In case you're looking for shoulder length, that's this. You always keep it here. And you go.
Let's go. You and I riding in Suburban. Codeine had a young nigga swerving. I got the mop, watch me like a surgeon. And I'm balling outside, standing on my shirt. I'm outside of the block, that yeah, you're fuck them in like I'm outside, yeah. You really got to leave it in the car. You may call me again, 12 minutes, I get lost in the way. If you talking on me, got the $10, take shit, baby. I guess you deep, I'm refugee. I'm locked in the hood, put money in the streets. So when the ops call me at the gas station, and on me 30,000, thought it was my last day. But they ain't even want no smoke. If I had to choose and murder, would she roll? Let's go.
Best exercise for triceps. So, legs are like that. All you have to do is this. This.
Shawty me ass, you need no flow. I felt it, like oh yeah, G-Wagon, all the road. I put some ice on you 'cause you got it. I know I gotta keep my W go. I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But I like you a lot, baby. All I'm talking about it, make up shit, big bottom. You all I be right, shit, your name, yo, yo, I'm gonna do cash out, don't need problem. I go to the high rise, I'm in the fourth floor. Inside Coco. And I keep my attitude 'cause I don't do facade. You can see my diamonds even when my hoes divided. You know I take her so when she ride it, and this niggas all kids, so shot it on the drive, and you don't know. There's some ice on you 'cause you gotta go home. I know I gotta keep my W go.
going to rain, so I'm going to rush through some other part of it quickly. Then I might do it inside my house. But another very important exercise for your glutes is called glute ups or something like that. I call it fuck ups because that's the way it is. Okay, go like this. Remember, squeeze your glutes when you go up. Always remember, every body size is different. So my form might be slightly off than your form, but it's the form which works for me. You have to feel the muscle that is being worked, because so many times people's bodies are constructed different. The way you walk is not the way I walk. That doesn't mean the way you walk is incorrect. It works for your body. It works for your body balance. Now, back to these push-ups. But these are the push-ups wherein you bring up your knee up to your shoulder. It's really awesome. It really helps you burn fat, and it's better than just doing a push-up. 10 bhi kar lo, agar do it right. This floor is getting slippery, man. Hi, Richo. So slippery. Let's go inside.
Working on the weekend like usual. Way out from the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they past us, they doing too much. Had to do my taxes, I'm too turned up.
So that was day one. You will see hundreds of videos which have a timer set where you have to do this exercise for 60 seconds, this exercise for 40 seconds. What I believe is that you should first work out for a minute. Let that be your achievement. Get out, do something, do some kind of physical activity and make yourself stronger. I'll see you guys tomorrow.